Alright guys, we have an outfit change here with Cam. What I'm gonna do again in this time, I'm actually setting my camera up for RAW on the CF Express, and I have JPEG, large JPEG on the SD UHS-2 memory card. I also have a micro SD recording on the PowerShot V10, and we also, my friend brought over another camera real quick to record another angle for BTS that's also on a micro SD card. So we have two micro SDs, one SD card UHS-2 and a CF Express type 4-4. So we'll go ahead and begin, and we'll start shooting all of this, and I don't worry about any of the amount of memory cards because I'm gonna dump them all in one go. Let me just, oh yeah, this looks really good. Beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I'm gonna just rapid fire here because I wanna load up as many photos. Yeah, look at that, Cameron, you're amazing. We're gonna rapid fire this because we wanna show as many of these, how fast you can download all of these photos and back them up at the same time using the modular system of the Lexar professional workflow. Good, beautiful. Oh, look at that, so good. Who are you? Who are you? Lights firing, keeping up just pretty well. That was awesome. All right, we got it. So we have two cameras recording BTS, and we have backup recording to JPEG on the SD card, and the CF Express Diamond is going to be recording the RAWs on the Canon R3. All right, welcome back to the workflow part of this. We just did the photo shoot. We recorded with the Canon R3, and we had backup recording. So we had CF Express 4. We had that Lexar card recording RAW files. Then we had an SD UHS-2, and that one was recording the JPEGs. And then we had another two cameras recording with micro SDs, and those are going to be recording behind the scenes footage, which we'll need for social media, for you know, Instagram, whatever we need to do. So shorts on YouTube and everything. The problem is that when you start recording with all of these devices, like the micro SD, the regular SD size, and the CF Express, the problem is you are spending a lot of time looking for adapters. And when you're on set, especially out on location, not so much on a studio, but out on location or whatever, you especially have a really hard time having your digital tech having to have all of these things laying around, and especially hard drives on top of that. And this is the way it's been for years. Like, it's always been the, you know, do you guys have an adapter? Do you have a micro SD? Do you have a CF Express? Do you have everything? Now, this computer has a regular SD slot that you can put into the computer, but that's not the only slot you need. You need a bunch of other things. Some of you may only use CF Express cards. Like if you're a cinematographer using the new Canon C400, you might just use CF Express. There's no SDs. The reason why this Lexar machine, the workflow is so useful is because it can be customized to whatever you want. So it's very modular. So if you're only using CF Express, you stick to CF Express, and you can only buy the little modules here that are for CF Express, and you can have the whole thing lined up with that. In my suggestion is to get what, you know, what's going to be the most versatile, which means, in my opinion, is what I have the setup for me here, which is two SD slots, CF Express, and micro SD as well. And I highly recommend getting 2 terabytes or 4 terabytes of these guys that can be used to back up simultaneously as you are dumping photos to whatever computer you're using. Right now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and show you. I'm going to pull out the RAW from this guy right here. So this is going to be the CF Express card from the Canon R3, and I'm going to put it by itself, no other card, on the 40 gigabytes per second slot, so it can give me the full power and speed of the 40 gigabytes per second. So I'm going to show you when I put this on, it's going to just dump the photos extremely quickly, and that's why we love this machine so much. So here it is, and it's going to detect it, and then I'm going to create a folder here, and I'm going to call it Canon R3 backup. Okay. Now watch this. I'm going to grab a memory card. I'm going to open up this guy here, and I'm going to grab the files from this and just look at the speed. So just so you know, and let's see how fast it does it. So this is for this. Yeah, let me dump this one out. Okay, so here we go. All right, so now the operating system is doing it, and check it out. Yeah, this is what we like. We like this kind of speed. You know, when you're on set, gotta move, and this is a lifesaver. So this is the entire 40 gigabytes per second. Done. That was it. So I dumped it all already. So the computer backed up everything. The device, the Lexar Professional Workflow, put everything into my folder on my desktop, and simultaneously it was also doing a backup into the portable SSD drive that's in there. And you know, you can put 2 more SSD cards if you need. You can put 4 terabyte ones, 2 terabyte ones. You can do whatever you need and back up to all of those if you need to. That way each person in your team can have their own SSD, portable SSD drive, and you don't have to be worrying about it. It's to me, I have a video editor, I have a BTS person, I have a photographer. I mean, I'm the photographer, so the videographer needs to have his video. The BTS person needs to be able to have access to all of the BTS right there and then. And then the photographer needs to be able to back up everything, dump everything into whatever you need, and then move on to it with the shoot. You don't have to worry about reformatting the cards or you know, because it's all backed up. Everything is backed up. So if you need to reformat the card, you have 2 backups already done. You don't have to have adapters. You don't have to do anything. It's all in one device, and it also powers your computer on top of that. So because it's USB-C powered, the computer doesn't need to have its own power source. It can just take the power from the machine and continue on doing everything. It's one of those devices that I could have really much used years and years ago. It would have made my life a lot easier. I am very happy to have this device. I'm gonna recommend this device to everybody just because it's an incredible device to have. And why would you not want something that has all the memory cards that are out there? Every single camera has different types of memory cards. It's so irritating how many adapters you need, and also having the ability to do a backup is just so beautiful to do. Not only the dumping of the memory cards, but to do a backup on portable SSDs. SSDs, and you can just pull out the SSD and give it with a cable to somebody, and they have everything they need. Here's an adapter as well for a USB Type A, and you're good to go. So guys, give it a check. Take a look at this device. I am sure you're going to absolutely love it, and I had a really good time showing you guys products that I believe strongly in, because I think Lexar is really trying to push the limits of what photographers need, what production companies need, and they're providing us with products like this that can really make our lives a lot easier. With that, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.